Damn you!
Honestly, like looking back, it was pretty fun.
Yeah, I wish I was videoing.
I don't.
I don't know where they are. I'm just shooting, dude. Suppressing fire.
I heard you for a minute.
Oh, I hear somebody. Oh god,
dude,
you killed John Wick.
That thing from a distance is terrifying.
I got a blunt in my hand.
Suppress it. Oh fuck. Suppressing fire. Sit down.
I didn't see where you went. Where'd you go?
Sit down, liberal.
Dude, this thing is like hard to, this is actually kind of hard to use aiming. I feel like I made a big mistake not allowing aiming.
Yeah.
Damn.
I jumped out window while shooting. Sit down, liberal.
You killed Comrade Goose.
And got killed by profile name.
All I heard was one shot go off and I'm dead.
That's how. Sit down. Damn you. God. God damn it.
You are a freaking nerd.
Sit down. Huh?
You actually set up a freaking keybind on your mouse and drop shot. You're a freaking nerd.
I keep forgetting to use it though.
You're actually a nerd.
Oh my god! Sit down, liberal!
Like,
I drop shot one. I drop shot one.
In PvP. Of course you freaking did.
Except when you...
Bro,
oh no!
You wanna do this, liberal?
You're gonna sit down, liberal! Oh shit, there's somebody coming in. Mine wouldn't shoot! Are you kidding?
Oh, I'm coming.
I'm gonna come.
You know
Oh, it was a lot, you bitch.
Oh, shit.
Sit down!
Oh, you were bipoded up.
Yes.
There's no freaking way you hit me unbipoded there.
Yeah.
Ew, gross. I got to die.
Oh my god! It was John Wick. Farthest one I got was... Sit down! I killed John Wick.
Is scary.
Well, that profile name, dude, is pretty good.
Sit down! I don't know how.
Did you not die?
Dude, I don't know. No. Oh dear God.
Yeah, I'm coming.
What is this play?
Oh my God! Oh my God. Dude, how did neither of us, like, I don't know where my freaking shots were going. I had to have missed you 100 times.
Did you get it on video?
Yes. Oh my God!
Then I just heard your voice at my feet.
Sit down! Oh, what? Who is down there?
Nobody.
I'm happy that's over. I can't
Dude.
that was rough.
That was?
Oh, they're done for.
Oh,
they're
make
done for. You want to talk about lore accurate? You're about to suck my dick with that one. You better wait and believe.
Fuck. Well.
Sorry about that.
Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ! Oh, you just got freaking smoked too.
His profile name is crazy.
And so they came up with.
Oh my God! Oh, where were you?
I heard that. Speak up.
Sit down!
That's 'cause they're just.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
What was
he's like
that?
trying to say something to me. I didn't understand half of it. 'cause he was
Sit
talking
down!
quiet.
Oh, no! I'm being shot! Oh, my
Going
God!
back.
Any gun in 308 is just really good because it does good damage.
Damn.
Oh, my God.
gonna
I just
sponsor
shot
them.
somebody from like 200 yards.
You know, worst part is we can't even find another lobby because this is probably the only one.
Yeah.
This is most definitely the only lobby.
Where you at, liberal? Is that you next to me?
Are you back in my spot?
Oh, you bitch.
You are here, aren't you?
I hear somebody running around back here.
Are you actually like near my spot?
Yes. I've been hearing somebody moving back and forth for past like... Sit down! Dude, I flicked on you so hard. Oh my God.
Game just said nah.
Oh, I made a break. I hear somebody. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Stand back up.
Oh, that's
Do
you
it.
again?
Do it.
Is that really you?
Rock-a-bye, baby on a treetop.
Where the fuck are you?
He's in your walls.
Apparently. I know he's...
Why'd you go down the stairs, buddy?
Oh no. We can do this the easy way. Oh my fuck!
I think he chose the hard way.
No, I messed up a throw. Where? Where the hell are... Oh, what?
MCX to destroy our world.
Yes. Sit down! I did too, and I'm dead too. Oh, fuck you alone. God damn it, the circle of life.
That was
Hoss on hoss crime right there.
us on Hoss crime. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to quit my ghillie suit.
Fuck you, fucking bitch.
Sit down, liberal. He called me a
killed the guy
bitch.
with-
I know, I killed him.
You gunned him down with an M1 Grand.
Yes. Oh. Oh no! E45. Oh! My head just disappeared. You
I just
literally.
like died randomly.
Yeah, you
I
lit-
died and he
Oh my God!
I can't lie, this
Sit
scope is
down.
beautiful. I actually like this scope a lot.
Sit
Dude,
down.
I can't, dude, holy crap! Like, ugh, I need to freaking. That MG3 game got me all goofed up.
I hear him crawling.
No, bro.
Is that you?
No.
Oh, oh shit! I pulled out my freaking grenade and now I can't get back. Oh shit! You were way out there. You were way out there. You bastard.
When you said I could hear someone crawling, I'm like, okay,
I
this
should-
guy needs to turn his freaking headset
I
down.
should shut my mouth down. I don't know, like the grass,
you really
it's
should.
so loud. The grass is so freaking loud. Oh, well, I heard
Oh,
that. I see
heard
you.
your echo.
I see you.
They don't.
Yeah, I did.
No.
No, you don't. Dies. Die.
Sit down! Oh. How'd that fire taste? Sit down! Oh, that wasn't... Oh my God. God damn it.
Oh,
Sit down! Oh God, somebody died right next to me. Oh! Did you flank the long way?
No.
Dude, where the fuck are you? Little gremlin.
Sneaky, sneaky,
Don't worry about it.
sneaky.
I legit don't know where you went. Just kidding.
Oh, gee. Hey, I got Mark 14, guys.
Oh my god, I suck.
Oops.
Oops.
Alright, I know Patrick's in here.
What? Not anymore.
Oops.
My head is fucking gone.
Oh no. Oh god, of course.
Sit down. That dude just slowly turned as I like stomped my ass into the room.
He's like, "Ee." There's a guy camping in objective. I don't know what to call this building. My game just freaking.
Oh. Hello.
What was that? Where were you at?
Down the road. I just heard somebody
I'm coming back.
scream. No, you're not. Oh, that wasn't you.
Well, buddy, we can't help you there.
My friend,
Sit
that
down.
is a skill issue. Oh my god, what was that?
Sterling. Fucking suppress Sterling. Just up my ass. Like in the hole and everything.
Oh,
Pretty terrifying.
that's what caused your mic to self.
You should have known.
Yeah, you know what? Why do I even bother? Like, you're always gonna be in that.
Yeah, don't go in
jerking
there.
Off your little peener, dude.
I heard you.
There's a random hossing it.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
There's a random just yelled.
You're kidding. You're kidding.
You.
Which one?
Kidding. Don't hit him. It was the. I think I'm just trying to do my job.
Oh, he was with us the last game. Literally spawned one in my crosshairs. Is that you down there?
No.
I see your Skeletor ass.
I was literally on the other side of 2 walls. How did you kill me?
MCX.
No.
I just.
556 cannot do that.
It's a good thing this is maybe not 556.
It is. It literally is.
Oh my god, that was you over there, you bastard. Oh! Oh, he just.
I can smell you.
Oh! I spawned on this dude. What the fuck? I hear a
My
Sterling.
god, what is...
Sit down.
There's another guy in there.
Yep.
Shut up, boy.
Save that from him.
He's just shut up. Buh. Oh my god!
You think you know what?
I need to reload.
God damn it. Got caught reloading. Fuck's sake. Where?
Hey, don't say bad words.
Dude, just hey, don't say bad
You
words.
got down to them or something, buddy?
Coming for that first place finish on the controller, pal.
Oh
You idiot.
Lieutenant Nut is also on that controller pack.
You're one to talk. You sound like you have fucking autism, bro.
You sound like you have Downism.
Oh, I can't beat that, dude.
Yo, what
He
up,
said down to them.
Fuck.
That's funny.
None of y'all are true losses. Join us, liberals.
Hello, Daddy Patty.
Your brother Gallius.
Oh, that means we're about to be seeing like a lot of people.
Yeah.
I like that.
What do you think you're doing, boy? Come with your gun.
It's not.
How many... Oh, jeez.
Dude, I
Oh my
suck.
god, he's keating it. Oh my god. The honey badger suppress is kind of fun.
Oh my god! He is keating it! Sit down! Goddamn camouflage commie! He was literally right next to me, shooting me with M110, and I couldn't see him, you bastard!
I guess.
Wait.
Sit down! I had the ping.
I think your mic is broken, Patrick.
It's definitely not. Oh my god! It's definitely not.
Fight back,
Oh
bro.
my
Fight
god.
back.
Keyboard, just keyboard.
Sit down.
I'm about to just murder. I'm about to murder. Just absolutely murder.
Christ, I think you've been murdering. You're on top of the scoreboard.
Oh.
Sit down. Sit down.
I literally shot you.
No.
I literally. Oh.
Sit down. Dude, I am fucking murdering
There's so
him.
many
Oh my
people-
god! I was reloading, you
There's so
bastard.
many people. Anywhere you look,
Framey.
Probably because all the
I keep
freaking
getting spawned.
shit down.
Oh my god, the frames are so bad.
There's
Oh,
so
fuck.
many- I don't think there's supposed to be this many people. I really don't.
Sit down. Sit down.
My controller quit working, and I had to grab my mouse for that.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
the only reason why you killed me.
I
'Cause
also
my
like.
controller quit freaking working.
If you hit that first shot, I wouldn't have seen you.
Fucking assholes!
Sit down. Breathe.
Sit down! Sit down!
Use it. Yeah. This dude's going crazy.
Shut up, idiot.
You liberal.
Yeah, that's what you get. Shut up.
Yeah.
Starting to, you're starting to.
Piece of shit!
Breathe. Use that one grin like a man. Oh god. You didn't kill me. It's behind me. There we go.
Oh, I almost.
Dude had 30 kills. Jesus. Oh god.
Shut up.
I like how the level 27 is always at the top.
Something fresh out the womb, liberal.
City, Houston, Texas.
Brother, I can't hear what you're saying. You gotta speak up.
This map is my favorite fucking map.
Yeah, God bless, brother.
There's so many people talking.
I know. Patrick, your mic is getting cut so hard.
It's getting worse and worse.
The prison liberals.
Prison fucking sucks.
Just like your mother, liberal.
Prison is the humble path, man.
My god.
Abominable snowman. I wish this trip to Tibet were more fun. The abominable snowman. Hey guys, I'm about to come home from my trip from Tibet.